Hi everyone. In your iGCSE paper 1 economics exam, you will have questions about elasticity. One of the popular questions can sound like this. Demand is price elastic, price increases, what happens to total revenue as a result? It can increase, fall, or remain unchanged. You need to know how to answer questions like that. I hope this video will help. So let's try to analyze the relationship between changes in price, total revenue, and price elasticity of demand using the diagram. The diagram shows demand for chocolate. This is the axis of price. This is the axis of quantity. Let's calculate revenue at different price levels first. So total revenue, this is the formula. This is basically price times quantity. If the price equals 0, which is technically impossible in the real life, but it means that the product is sold for free, which is very hard to imagine. Anyways, this is just an example. So if the price equals 0, according to our diagram, quantity demanded will be equal to 0. Sorry, 10. 0, that's total revenue. How do we calculate total revenue? 0 times 10, which is 0 pounds. If price equals 1 pound, this is the price level of 1 pound, quantity demand will be equal to 9. In this case, total revenue will be 9 as well. It's shown here, it's in red color. 1 times 9, this is the calculation. Hope it's very easy. If price equals 2 pounds, quantity demanded will be equal to 8 units of chocolate, 8 chocolates basically. And in this case, total revenue will be calculated as 2 times 8, which is 16 pounds. That's why here I put 16. And as we move upwards, we will calculate the rest of the values. So it's 21, that will be the revenue if price equals 3. Then we have 24, which is 4 times 6, 25, 5 times 5, 24, 6 times 4, 21, 7 times 3, etc., etc. Well, obviously I've chosen the easy numbers so that the calculations will be pretty much straightforward. The question is, obviously we can see some patterns here. The question is, what price level allows us to maximize the total revenue? Apparently that's the price level of 5 pounds. If the price is set at the level of 5 pounds, the total revenue made by the firm will be 25. It's the biggest value from all values given here in red. That's our maximum total revenue. Now, the most important part of this video. Let's complete this diagram. Let's fill in the gaps in this diagram. We need to analyze what will happen with total revenue, what will happen to total revenue, depending on different scenarios. Scenario 1 is price increases and demand is price inelastic. Let's start with this one. So basically, this part of demand is price inelastic. Price increases, and we are moving in the direction of the green arrow, right? Because price increases, and we are in this part of the diagram which shows inelastic demand, and it increases. Total revenue is increasing from 0 to 9, then 16, then 21, then 24. So basically, we have the answer. Total revenue is increasing. That's why in the table we will put total revenue goes up. Let's move on. What happens if we are analyzing the same inelastic demand, but the price level falls. So let's analyze. And we will move in the direction of the red arrow. So it was 25, 24, 21, 16, 9, 0. Currently, it's falling down. That's why here I will put decrease in total revenue. Now let's analyze the elastic demand. And let's see what happens if price falls. We will have to move in the direction of the green arrow because the price is falling. What happens with the total revenue? So 0, 9, 16, 21, 24, 25. It is increasing. That's why here we will put total revenue increases. Let's move on. The last cell left. So demand is price elastic, but price goes up. What happens with the total revenue? We move in the direction of the red line, red arrow, was 25, 24, 21, 16, 9, 0. Currently it's falling. So now we have this table which will help us to answer questions like exam style questions. Price is increasing, demand is price inelastic. What happens to total revenue? I hope using this example with those very simple numbers, very easy numbers, using this analysis, you will be able to answer these questions in your exam. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you with questions about the relationship between price, total revenue, and price elasticity of demand.